Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Mica from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my haul from the Stamp and Scrapbooking Expo that was held here in the middle of September in Mesa, Arizona. I went a little overboard, but I'll just share with you what I can remember from what store I got what. A lot of stuff I got from the Mega Make and Take. They have vendors that who came to sponsor and did a project. We're able to shop from them with whatever they bring, you know, to the crop that we can purchase. And I think they do very well. But I will share with you what I got. They do have great deals that night at Mega Make and Take, but it's not all the vendors. It's probably 5 or 6 of them, and they are there just for a minimal time after they do their project. So let me share with you. I don't have any samples of anything. These are just all the stuff I got. So every year I look for adhesive tape, I look for glitter art glue. I usually look for silhouette machine mats. I have not been able to find those at an expo for the last couple years. But so I did get my art glitter glue, so this should last me for a little while. I have little bottles, so I refill them. So I'm glad to have that. I also buy these tips for my glue, like this one. And you can see this is well used. I probably need a new one. But I lose the pins, or they break or whatever, so I got a few of these tips for stash. Here's some double-sided tape I found only for $1, so I could not pass that up. I hope it sticks well. That's usually the issue. They gave us these bags, Create Something Beautiful today. I guess Spectrum Noir. And then I bought me some Tim Holtz scissors. This is the titanium snip. So I'm excited to use these. Some other tools I got were this small sanding stick or distress tool, and it just has sandpaper alongside of it. And then I got some extra ones. Like sometimes the die cuts, when you pop them out of the sheet, they have those little nubs, so I like to sand them down. That's basically what I was thinking of using this for, but you could also distress the edges of your paper with it as well. So that was another tool. I also got this. It says it's a surface sweep, but I'm sure you can just use it to clean off when you're embossing and that types of things. That's what I was thinking of anyway. It's for Nouveau products. Well, we'll see. So I got that. I also bought me an ATG gun. Woot woot! Yes, it came with one refill. This was the only one on the whole floor. There was no other ATG guns, and the reason is they're making a new one. So they're not making this one anymore. So this was the last one that was available. They don't have the new one out yet, but so I haven't used it a lot yet, but I am hoping, since I have all of this stuff I've purchased, that I could use it to do some projects. So you'll be seeing this show up in my videos, I'm sure. I also bought, and I don't remember the name of the shop, but I bought this Simple Stories sticker book, some foam stickers from Simple Stories, and then some chipboard stickers. But they all match the Hooray collection, so that's why I bought them. The Hooray collection from Makaz Home. And then I just like this one, so that's why I got this one. And this I got all at the same store. This was on the showroom floor. What else? What else? I bought one of these to put my pens in that you're working with right in front of you, and it's at an angle. So I think this is beneficial when I do my Copic coloring. Like, there's only a certain ones I'm working with now that are the, you know, skin tones, so I can just bring those out instead of the whole bag out. We'll see, but I bought it to use for crops, and so there it shows you some pens and that kind of thing. But I did get that. Then I got these Sweet Sentiment stamps. I think this was from Sweet Sentiments too, but I could be wrong since it doesn't have the packaging. But this mermaid fairy type of person says it doesn't matter who believes in you as long as you believe in you. You are magical. You cannot tame the spirit of one who has magic in their veins. So I like the magic. I think this is a rock, to sit on the rock. And then here's the next one. This one comes with a die set. But it's a polar bear with the igloo. My favorite winter activity, going back inside where it's warm. First person to complain it's too hot this summer gets punched. Well, in Arizona it's very hot, but aren't they cute? And then the die. And then this one is the gecko. Let me try to find a white paper. There we go. And this one says, I'm sorry I was cold-blooded. I'm not weird, I'm unique. Hey, hi, hello. Gecko act together. I've loved you from the gecko. Aww. So that was cute. That's why I like that one, the sentiments. But I'm not sure if it's from Sweet Sentiments or not. But I did get those. What else? Oh, from Creek Bank as well, I got these stamps. It's just this book belongs to, handmade with love by, hand stamped just for you by, and you are card worthy, handmade just for you. So those are just cute stamps you can put on the back of your card making. I got these from Lawn Fawn, and they are dies to make interactive cards. And so this one is the Flippy Flappy. That's what it's called. I almost think these were half off. Or maybe they were 2 for 30. I don't remember, but I got these. So this is the Flippy Flappy. And then this one is the, what's this one called? Magic Picture Changer. So as you pull it, it changes the picture. So I think I need both of these to do it. So I got those two dies from Lawn Fawn. then I got these stamps. Ready Beach for the whatever, Hello Summer. It's just a bunch of summer ones. And then this one here. I'm curious to see how they stamp out since the image looks, you know, it doesn't look clear, but we'll see. And they were probably $3 each. That might be why I have gotten them. I also got this Sakura type of flowers. And then I know these were $3 each, so I got this die that does those windows. I got this die so you can, you know, make the things move with the penny. And then I got this slimline die, the flowers. I got these dies, Home Sweet Home and Thank You. I like the size of this because, you know, it's pretty much the whole card front. So you could slap a card together really quickly. I also bought this pack of 25 65-pound cardstock, black. It was the last one there. And I can always use black paper, so I really didn't need it. One of the stores that, or one of the vendors on the floor, this was their last year. I don't remember what I got from them, but I do know they gave me this flower free, as well as this craft punch. So I got those. I know I bought this from Tesla. And that's where I got this from as well. Tesla. Oh, I think I got the... Yeah, that's all. Just this and this I think I got from Tesla. But these are the new distress mica stains from Tim Holtz, from Rangers. So we'll see. They are in a Halloween color. But I did get these. And then I also bought these. I know these were like, I don't remember what they were. 5 for something. But that's what I got. So I got this flower. And it does, you know, layered stamping. These are all from Rubbernecker stamps. I got this flower. I got this background of the mountain and the trees. Figure for camping. I got this, you know, handwriting all over stamp. It's a love one though. And then I got this margarita stamp. So I got those. What else? So I did get stuff from Scrappy Boy Stamps. I will put this video because it is running long. I'll post that one and the ton stamps in my next video. And that'll be my last haul video. Oh, as well as I have another mystery box I forgot about that I will put in that video as well. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!